Welcome to our GPU battle. Today, we are diving into an exciting comparison between two powerful graphics cards, the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC16G and the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and which card offers the best value for gamers. From budget-friendly options to high-end performance, we will cover it all, so stay tuned. When it comes to pricing, the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC16G stands out as a budget-friendly option at $359, making it an attractive choice for gamers looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT is priced at $719, targeting enthusiasts who demand top-tier performance and are willing to invest significantly more for it. This stark price difference highlights the distinct market segments each card caters to. The Gigabyte RX 7600 XT is designed primarily for 1080p and light 1440p gaming, providing excellent performance for gamers who prioritize smooth gameplay at these resolutions. On the other hand, the PowerColor RX 9070 XT is built for high-end 4K gaming, offering superior performance and capabilities for those looking to game at the highest resolutions with the best settings. This difference in target resolution showcases the performance tier each card is designed for. Another critical aspect to consider is the memory bandwidth. The Gigabyte RX 7600 XT features a 128-bit memory interface, which, while sufficient for its target market, may limit performance in more demanding scenarios. In contrast, the PowerColor RX 9070 XT boasts a 256-bit memory interface, allowing for greater memory bandwidth and better performance in high-resolution gaming. This significant difference is crucial for gamers who want to push their graphics settings to the max. In conclusion, both the Gigabyte Radeon RX 7600 XT Gaming OC16G and the PowerColor Red Devil RX 9070 XT offer unique advantages tailored to different types of gamers. The RX 7600 XT provides excellent value for those focused on 1080p gaming, while the RX 9070 XT is a powerhouse for 4K enthusiasts. We hope this comparison helped you in making an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.